Dear students, as all of you aware that our syllabus is completed, so we started remedial classes. Today I am taking remedial classes 1 on bundle conductor. Initially we should know what is the importance of bundle conductor in power transmission line and what is the bundle conductor. A bundle conductor is a conductor made up of two or more subconductors and is used for one phase conductor for voltage greater than 220 kV. It is preferable to use more than one conductor per phase, which is known as bundle conductor. Bundle conductors are used for transmission purpose, obviously for high voltage or extra high voltage, as it helps to obtain better voltage regulation and efficiency by reducing the inductance and skin effect present in power lines. These causes considerable losses in transmission line. There are many advantages of using bundle conductors in transmission line. Some main important advantages are reduced reluctance, reduced corona loss, reduced surge impedance. So thereby, by using the bundle conductor, it can transmit maximum power are used in bundle conductor. Bundle conductors are also known as multiple conductors because they consist of two or more than two conductors. Those are connected in phase with equal distance between conductors. The voltage gradient at the surface of the conductor is inversely proportional to its radius. The surface voltage gradient, the corona losses, radio interference are reduced by increasing the radius of conductor by using bundle conductor, because we have already discussed that the voltage gradient at the surface of a conductor is inversely proportional to its radius. So we increasing the radius of conductor by using bundle conductor. Bundle conductor consists of two or more conductors per phase supported by one or more insulator string. Each phase consists of n subconductors. There are three types of bundle conductor. For example, we draw here 2 subconductors, 3 subconductors, 4 subconductors. We having the radius r. B is the bundle spacing between subconductors. Is the number of conductors A1, A2, 2, 3, 4. R is the radius of bundle conductor. Now we have to discuss geometric mean radius. What is the geometric mean radius? Geometric mean radius is basically the geometric mean of distance between the strands of a conductor. It is the fictitious radius of conductor having no internal flux linkage but only external flux linkage. This is the main meaning of electrical, or we can say geometrical mean radius. To determine the geometric mean radius, here we are describe a simple form of radius of bundle conductor. Suppose this is in this circumference n bundle conductor are specified and all are n is the number of subconductor, r is capital R is the bundle radius, b is the subconductor spacing, r is the radius of conductor, and GMR is the geometric mean radius. What is the physical significance of geometrical mean radius? Geometrical mean radius, normally denoted by capital GMR, is basically the geometric mean of distance between the strand of a conductor. It is the fictitious radius of a conductor having no internal flux linkage but only external flux linkage. To understand the concept of GMR and its calculation, it is very important to understand the calculation of inductance of a single phase 2-wire line. A single phase 2-wire system consists of two conductors, one in a phase and another one in a neutral conductor. Though in AC system, concept of geo and return current does not exist, but we can always analyze using RMS value of current. Hence, phase conductor can be assumed B conductor and neutral conductor as return conductor. Here we are comes again on the topic On the determination, the formula of geometric mean radius of bundle conductor is, that is the small r GMR, n is the number of conductor, taken under root of small r 2r sin pi upon n, 2r sin 2 pi upon n, 2r sin 3 pi upon n, up to the n minus 1 up to n. N is the number of conductor. Suppose 2 conductor in a phase, so put n equal to 2 and GMR will comes out 2r capital R under root. Suppose 3 is the conductor, then put the value of 3 in the formula and the GMR will comes out 3 small r into r square under root. So for n is the subconductor, the final formula comes out n r into n minus 1 की power 1 by n. Thank you very much.